Hi, my name is Emily Boschel. I am your local sales representative for Teacher Created Materials, and I have been at work with your administration at Hawthorne Elementary to be able to provide a summer resource for you and your students. That resource is called Kids Learn, and this is a resource that will support your students at home over the summer. It includes 9 weeks of content that will cover all content areas: reading, writing, science, social studies, math. There will also be family engagement and social emotional learning included. You will receive a workbook that will have the grade level of the grade that your student will be entering in the fall. So they'll have a review of what they've done in this previous year that they just graduated from, as well as preparation for what they will see in the next grade level. You will have either gotten an English copy or a Spanish support version, and I will quickly touch on the differences between these two. The English will be available in fully English. The Spanish support will have anything that is parent and caregiver facing available in Spanish and English, printed in Spanish and English. So you'll see on this page, the top half is in English, the bottom half is in Spanish. And then the directions will be printed in English and Spanish. So quickly, just to introduce you to the workbook and what you guys will be doing this summer. The first page, when you open it, on the cover, the inside of the cover, there will be 4 QR codes that make all of the family engagement pages 3 through 12 available in Spanish, Haitian Creole, Mandarin, and Arabic. And then starting on page 3, you will have the table of contents that will go through those 9 weekly activities, the activity cards, the assessment guides, anything that is in the book. You will then have the family engagement resources for the first 11 pages. That will include a welcome letter, what does your student need to know for that grade level, things and activities you can do as a family, social emotional learning, family science experiment, and much, much more. Every week will be color coded. So week 1 is purple. All of the pages will be purple. And on the first page of every week, it'll give you a breakdown of what to expect for that week. This isn't intended to be a heavy lift for you or your student this summer. It is just intended to be a page a day, as you guys are able to do a page a day for the summer. Sometimes you'll get 2 pages done, sometimes you'll get none, and that is totally fine. But they will cover all of the content areas, the directions will be there. At the end of every week, there will be a suggestion for a game that can be played. These will include resources and things that you have around your house. For example, this one asks for a deck of cards. We have also provided cutout manipulatives in the back. So sometimes it'll direct you to the back to be able to cut out these to play that game. If your student is going into 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, or 6th grade, there will be language arts and mathematics assessment preparation after the cutout manipulatives. And for everyone, there will be an answer key. These pages are perforated. If you guys feel more comfortable ripping those out and keeping them for yourselves so your student doesn't look ahead, feel free to do so, but those pages are available in the back. And then lastly, there is a My Journal section that allows the students the ability to be creative, write a postcard to somebody, describe what they did that day at the park, provide any sort of details and fun drawings that they see fit in those open journal pages. This is a great resource to be able to prevent your student from learning or from losing all of the learning that they've worked hard to develop this past year, as well as prepare them for the next year. If you have any questions, please reach out to the school. I am also available to help in any sort of way. All right, have a great summer.